Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I have a candy style transition, but first of all I just want to say that you guys make me the happiest. Oh my god guys, we just hit 20k subscribers and I have no words to describe how happy I am. You guys make my day every single day. I never thought I would go this far, honestly, and you guys keep me going. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and if you subscribe and have your post notifications on, you are a real one and I appreciate you. Anyways, let's start with the tutorial. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do for this transition, so I'm just gonna go with the flow and you just follow my instructions, okay? Okay, so first I'm gonna add a rectangle, and I kind of want to do like a frame for the picture, so I'm gonna add a rectangle and then a picture on the top. And I just kind of want to make it like a frame. So that looks good right there. Now I am going to select the image and the rectangle, and I'm gonna group and mask. Oops, I clicked the wrong one. I'm going to effects and go to squeeze, add squeeze. Now for the first keyframe, leave it like that, and for the second one, at the 10-second mark, I am gonna make it 25, no 20, I'm gonna make it 20. And then the third keyframe at the 20-second mark, make it 15. And then for the fourth keyframe, make it 10. And then the other keyframe, make it 5. And then the last one, make it 0. So it's gonna look like this. And for all the graphs, I'm gonna do the third one right here. Okay, that looks great. Now I'm gonna go and do a zoom in transition. So I'm gonna add a keyframe in the beginning and one at the 45-second mark. And the first keyframe, I'm gonna make it really small. And for the graph, you can do whatever graph that you want, but I'm gonna go ahead and click on the 3 dots right here, and I'm gonna enable overshoot. And then I'm going to do this graph right here, and it looks like this. Okay. Now I am going to make like a little circle overlays. So I'm gonna change the color of the circle. I want it white. Now I'm gonna do a zoom out transition on the circle. So add a keyframe in the beginning, make it 0, and then 1 at the 45-second mark. And cover all the background. Cover it with a circle. And then for the graph, I'm going to use this one. Let me see how it looks. Okay, I'm going to go to blending and opacity, and then I'm gonna add a keyframe here in the beginning and one at the 45-second mark. And I am going to, oh wait, no, not on this one. Go to the circle one. Okay, so now go to the circle and go to blending and opacity and add a keyframe in the beginning and one at the 45-second mark and make it 0. And for this graph, I'm gonna be using this one. Wait, no. This one. This one looks fine. So it looks like this. Now I am going to duplicate the circle and I'm gonna make it a different color. I think I want it pink. So I'm gonna make it pink, and then with your fingers, not with this, don't use this one. With your fingers, make sure that you make it smaller, like that. Okay, that looks so good. Now, I am going to move this picture. So go to this one right here. I'm sorry. Go to this setting right here. And then in the 20-second mark, add a keyframe. And then at the 45-second mark, move it to the right or to the left, whatever you want to do. And I'm going to use this graph and I'm going to copy it. And then go to the rotating icon right here and add a keyframe right here at the 20-second mark and one at the 45-second mark as well, and rotate it a little bit just so it can have like a little effect going on right there. And I'm gonna paste the same graph right here so it looks like this so far. Okay. That looks great. Now I am going to duplicate this group right here. And for this group, go to edit group and change the picture right here. So once you're in the group, go to color and fill, and then click on select media, and here you will choose whatever picture you want to add. So I'm gonna add this one and then go back. So it looks like that with your new picture, but what you're gonna do is go to move and transform and delete the second keyframe here. And for the second keyframe here, you're gonna move it to the left or to the right, to the opposite side. And then once you do that, you have to rotate, go to the rotating and then rotate it the opposite way. So I'm gonna rotate it -10. And just make sure everything is aligned. So it looks like that. And for the graph, make sure that you paste the same graph so it goes the same speed. And here also. Okay, so it looks like that. So now I am going to select the both groups at the top and I'm gonna group them. Okay, now I'm gonna add a arrow one going to the right side and one going to the left side. So I'm gonna change the color of this one. I'm gonna make it yellow. And I'm gonna rotate it rotate it 135. And it's gonna go from, it's gonna start at the 20-second mark. So I'm gonna cut it at the 20-second mark right here. And then I'm going to this setting right here. And I'm gonna add a keyframe in the beginning and I'm gonna put it right here so you don't see the arrow. And then the one at the 45-second mark, put it all the way to the other side. Now I am going to duplicate the arrow and go to move and transform, and you're gonna flip it the other way. So it should be -45. And then go to this right here, to this setting right here. And we're going to delete the second keyframe and the first keyframe from this right here arrow. Where is the arrow? Okay, so you have to find the arrow, so make sure you move it around with your fingers. First keyframe, make sure the arrow is on the other side all the way so you can't see it. And then the second keyframe, move it to the other side like that, and then use the same graph as the other one. So this graph, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to select both clips, both arrows, and I'm going to group them. The background, I'm gonna do some stripes, so I'm gonna go to the bottom rectangle, and I'm gonna go to effects, and I'm gonna add stripes. And this you can do however you want, so just do it however you want. And that's it for today's video, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you comment and subscribe, and also like this video so I know that you guys like this type of transitions. And also make sure you comment. I love reading your comments. And that's it. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys are doing well. Bye.